as I said, is a lucky man. The second, and I hope I am right, is that this business is going to be a gift for me. So since my dad didn't react, I may have to settle with a birthday cake. On a sober note, let me just say that this is a match made in heaven. Regus, a leader in flexible workspace solutions, and AMA Group, a 46-year-old conglomerate engaged in education, real estate, and agriculture. I am familiar with the business model of Regus because of the very popular WeWork. Of course, Regus is operating without the weed and all this. But from a leader, WeWork, as you know, went bust. So it takes a lot of operating discipline to be successful in your business. So it's really a match made in heaven because my father runs a tighter ship than you. So this partnership will really make it in the future.